Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about warning signs that you're eating too much sugar or not. Let's see who is eating too much sugar and warning signs, so stay tuned, watch till end. And most important thing is, do not forget to subscribe this channel and press bell icon to get notification. Let's start now. The following are a few warning signs that you're eating too much sugar. Remember, they are just guidelines, and that you may have to do more research on a particular condition to determine what really causes it. Consuming too much fructose or simple sugar may cause hyperactive behavior. This may include having a fast heart rate, difficulty sleeping, and temper tantrums. When a child is overweight, he or she may have an increased need for high calories. But the lack of fiber in processed food can cause a growth spurt. This could also cause a fast heart rate and trouble sleeping. Children who suffer from obesity and have a serious eating disorder may have signs of binge eating as well as hyperactive behavior. If a child has a severe lack of energy exhaustion, his or her body can have a hard time getting the right nutrients. That means the child may consume far more calories than he or she needs, which will trigger the release of hormones to signal the body to overeat. Sugar can cause a sweet tooth. Many people have a sweet tooth, but others find it repulsive. That's because sugar contains high levels of insulin, which is a hormone that regulates blood sugar. When the body senses there is not enough insulin to regulate blood sugar, the result is sugar cravings. If a person is suffering from an eating disorder, overeating may be a form of self-medication. Anorexia and bulimia are two different symptoms of eating disorders that can be triggered by high levels of sugar intake. A person with high blood sugar is likely to be at risk for stroke. An extremely high level of sugar in the bloodstream can lead to the breakdown of the red blood cells, which can lead to strokes. High levels of sugar in the bloodstream may also contribute to hypertension. Both high blood pressure and stroke can occur in people who consume too much sugar. In some cases, the warning signs that you're eating too much sugar will occur in the same way as the physical symptoms. These signs include hunger pangs, fatigue, cravings, and irritability. In other cases, a person may show signs of hyperactivity and a surge of energy. It's important to remember that these same symptoms occur in healthy individuals as well. People who experience any of the warning signs that you're eating too much sugar are aware of what they are doing. They may try to hide their condition, or they may appear as though they aren't affected. Even if they are experiencing physical symptoms, it is usually difficult to realize that they are also experiencing the physical symptoms of eating too much sugar. If you notice that you are experiencing any of the warning signs that you're eating too much sugar, it's important to take action immediately. It is best to consult with a doctor before attempting to stop your overeating, which may increase the possibility of damage to your health. If you decide to go ahead and stop your eating disorder, you can benefit greatly from the professional help that you will receive. The warning signs that you're eating too much sugar have occurred because of health conditions such as hypoglycemia, a condition that can cause a surge in blood sugar. When someone eats too much sugar, the body may absorb excess sugar into the bloodstream and cause hypoglycemia. Blood sugar can become too low in the bloodstream and affect brain function. Another condition that can cause a warning sign that you're eating too much sugar is hyperactive behavior. People who have been diagnosed with anorexia, bulimia, or obsessive-compulsive disorder may be at risk for signs of binge eating and other similar symptoms. When they consume too much sugar. A person with diabetes or an undiagnosed mental illness such as depression or anxiety disorder may also have warning signs of binge eating, including going over their allotted calorie count, being constantly hungry and having difficulty controlling their urges. Help this video with comments, share and likes. Thank you for watching this video.